Hey, it's Daps here from Seok Media. I'm super excited to have you join me in this one. In this video, I want to walk you through an amazing tool called WPoptic. Fantastic tool, pretty much new. A lot of its features are still coming up. This tool is just useful for data, for analysis of some behaviors in the WordPress ecosystem. Without wasting so much time or talking over your head, let me take you to my screen and let me show you this tool and what it can do. WPoptic is at WPoptic.com. Fantastic, awesome tool here. As you can see here, it says supercharge your WordPress intelligence. WPoptic gives you deep insight into WordPress website, helping you stay ahead in the development, marketing, and sales. So fantastic. So if you want to search for any plugin that you want to know more about, just come in here and just type in that plugin, and this tool will be able to tell you more about that plugin and how that plugin is doing. For example, let's say Elementor. You can see Elementor itself is here, Elementor add-on element, Elementor Pro. You can see them, a number of it, but let's just stick with Elementor and let's see what result this plugin would give us. All right, so we already have insight into Elementor. By installations here, it says it has over 3.8 million installations. The market share is 28.5. The pricing is free. You can visit the plugin here. You can see this is pointing to the URL, and you can see the TLD that uses this plugin. .com seems to be the highest with over 1.7 million users. Then .de, .org, .com.br, and you can see that here. Example website using this plugin. You can see that FAQ about this plugin, other plugins in the design and page builder category. You can see Beaver Builder Pro, DV. You can see all of them here. Fantastic stuff here. I just love how this tool is able to give you insight into plugins. You can see quite a number of plugin categories here. This is a lot of categories. You can see you can begin to build a list from here, but unfortunately this is not ready to use. Like I did told you, if you click this, like for example, let's say we want to build a list, we want to gather this information or maybe acquire it. I don't know exactly what they have in mind, but you can see here it says that soon we will open up our database, the public. You can sign up to be in the waiting list. I really don't know what this would be, but I really am very excited about what you can do with this plugin, because again, if you're designing website, if you need to use plugins from time to time, you know how super amazing it is for you to have a tool that you can rely on to give you certain data or statistics about a plugin or a theme, or as the case would be. This is fantastic, and this would bring a lot of change into the WordPress ecosystem, and I'm super excited about this. I'm waiting to see exactly what this would hold. So let's just go back to the home page and let's go through some of the things that you can do with this. So you can see WordPress Unraveled, lead list, competitor analysis, browser extension. The browser extension is pretty much working. I'm probably going to install that, and I'm going to see exactly how you can use the browser extension. Like we saw earlier, the lead creation isn't working yet. You can create a list. The browser extension is working, like I said. This is also a fantastic feature here that you can request them to give you more insight about a particular plugin. From here, you can see they are saying that they have already 20,000 WordPress plugin already crawled here with user details here. You can see the numbers here. Plugins detected 17,000. Website in database 13 million. Wow. 21 URL in database, and site scanned is 5,190 in the last 24 hours. Wow, that's good features. If that is true, that's fantastic. You can see WordPress popular plugins too as well here. Fantastic. But let me just show you what is working the browser extension. So if we click on this, it will take you to the Chrome extension, and you can just add this to your Chrome extension. Yes, let's add this extension. Awesome. So we have this Chrome extension already added to our Chrome. So if we just come here to our extension, so I have it here, I can just easily pin it so that I can see it anytime I want to use it. So right now I can literally start browsing any website. So if I go to a website and I click on the Chrome extension here, good. So you can see from here is able to dictate the theme I'm using, Astra theme. You can see various swatches for WooCommerce, WP Code, Elementor, Elementor header and footer. Do I have that plugin installed? I'm not sure it is. Well, Elementor is installed here. WooCommerce, definitely all these plugins here are installed. What I'm not sure about is the Elementor header and footer. Okay, get it. This plugin has been renamed from Elementor header and footer. Is now Elementor. What is the name of that plugin again? Let's come to dashboard. Okay, this is now the plugin here. It's called Ultimate Add-on for Elementor. So I think WPoptic need to update their plugin name to reflect the new name. That's the only plugin that I saw there that I probably wondered why I have this plugin on this website. So that's it. So you can see, you can just go to any website, you can click, you can see by default here, I'm already seeing 12 is already letting me know this website here use Cadence theme, and you can see all the plugins that has been installed there, and it's pretty fast, super amazing stuff. You can switch between lights and dark mode, which is super amazing. You can just go anywhere on the online, and then you can just click into this for you to see. So you can see this is a WordPress website. Bricks basically is a theme there, and you can see all the plugins that are installed on this WordPress website. I want to believe that this plugin would definitely not have every plugin out there in their database, but they're working around it. If they have 20,000 plugins that they've already crawled that they have in the database, then I want to believe that they have pretty much most notable WordPress plugin already covered. So I want to believe that that would improve significantly, but this is super amazing for you to be able to have access to plugins and themes that WordPress websites are using, so that you can replicate the same thing on your website. That's my tutorial for this. Let me know if you find this useful and you're excited about this. As much as more information is released about this fantastic tool here, more possibilities than what I've just shared, we'll be happy to share that with you here on this channel. So if you want to see more tutorials like this, make sure you like this video first and subscribe so that you don't miss out on those awesome tutorials. And that's my time for this video. I'll see you in another one, and until then, take good care of yourself.